Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. This is Melanie's Family YouTube channel. I am doing the July BoxyCharm unboxing. I haven't opened it yet. I just undid the box, so let's see what we got. Looks like a couple. Oh, this shows everything that's going to be inside. I'm going to pause it and look at that. These are Unleash Your True Beauty by Being Kind to the Earth. Please help our planet. Beautiful recycling. This package. It's brushes. Makeup brushes. A large eye blending, a precision crease, and a foundation. And we have LMS Veggie Mask. Oh, some lashes. Everybody knows I love lashes. Beautiful. We got a Afra liquid lipstick and a Butter London. Sorry, I'm trying to open it and do this with one hand. Oh, beautiful colors too. Beautiful. This will be wonderful when I do a BoxyCharm reviews. So yeah, that is my BoxyCharm box for July. I hope everyone enjoyed seeing the products and stay tuned for the reviews. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.